Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to validate the number and date with data validation. So the data validation, it located under the data, and when you come here and click on this, and here from here I choose the, first of all I start from the number, whole number. We have whole number, decimal, and also we have the time and date here. So first of all, before applying data validation, I should select the area that I want to apply this on. So I cancel this, I come here to the date and select the column. After that I come to data validation and I come here and I choose the date. From here we have many options. We have between, not equal to, not equal to, greater than, or less than. So I choose this one, greater than which date. So I just type the date, or just come here and select one of these and lock it. Yes, and okay, you can see the orders after before 18th of February 2018 is invalid. So when I come here and I want to circle this, you can see. And also we can choose between two dates also. You know, sometimes here is a scenario that when people enroll after a certain date and they are like eligible for bonus or anything, but before that they are not. So we can use this data validation and so on. So the next one I want to apply here on this one, subtotal. I want to apply here. I come to data validation, and I choose the, you know that we have to choose decimal here because we have the decimal here. If we don't choose, if we choose the whole number, it will be wrong. So I just choose one time the whole number. Okay, I select less than, and here I 1000 for example, and okay, you can see it's wrong except this one, because instead of choosing the decimal I choose the whole number. So I just come here again, and instead of this one I choose decimal and just okay, I didn't select, yes I did. You can see it highlights just this. These are wrong, 1 2 3 4. You can see the differences. So here for example I have to use the whole number. Just come here and select whole number, and I choose between, for example between 8, and the maximum should be like 48. Okay, you can see it highlights under 8 is which 7 4, and here we have 50. You can see it really works magically, and I want to apply once again on total. Select, first of all I should select the cell that I want to apply this validation. After that I come here to decimal, and here I select less than 3000, and okay, you can see here I have just two, more than 3000, which are 4000s. So that's it about the number, whole number, decimal, and date. So if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.